Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs. Hello, how are you all doing? And so we are back for entry number 4 into my Lace 2K challenge. I'm so super excited. And this entry comes from my very own dear friend, Isabel, who's Boricuascrafting 100 here on YouTube, you guys. And you definitely have to go and check her channel out. She's doing so many amazing things. I will leave a link for her down below so that you guys can go and check it out. But before I continue, let me just give you guys a quick reminder and a quick update. You still have time to do your VRs and get additional points for that. And also, if anybody comes over from your channel, you also get additional points for that. And there's also additional points that you can win. I will leave a link to the challenge video down below so that you guys can find out all the different ways that you guys can enter, as well as what the prizes are and deadlines and so on and so forth. You guys still have time to create something and enter it. This challenge will be going on through the month of April as well. So just to give you guys a heads up, and without further ado, you guys, now that I got that out the way, let's get into, oh my god, Isabel's entry. I'm so super excited to see. I have opened up the package, but I have not opened up the entries, just to make it a little bit easier. Just to make it a little bit easier. And I am gonna have a seat. And her entry smells awesome, you guys. Like, oh my god, you guys are all of this perfume going on in my little space right now. All right, so where do I begin? Oh my god, let's begin with the card. Okay, so let's see. I'm sure you did awesome, girl. Please. Everything you do so far has just been jaw-dropping. So I am absolutely sure that you did an awesome job. Oh, of course. Thank you so much. Of course, Isabel. That's what we're here for. And thank you so much. You know I love you to pieces, girl. Thank you so much for entering. And without further ado, the piece de la resistance. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I just love saying it because it sounds so funny. So this one came a little bit open, so let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, she made me these really cute embellishments. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Isabel. Oh, look at the tiny little bows. That's gonna go perfect for what we got going on right now. Oh, and she sent me some little trims. Look how adorable this is. It's like little eyes. That's how everything that I see in a shape like this reminds me of eyes. This is so sweet. And this one is all ruffly in the bottom. Super cool. I don't have anything like this. Oh, thank you. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm like obsessed with smells, you guys. Oh, look at this cute one too. Oh my god, girl, these are gorgeous. See, this is why I can't, like, you drive me crazy when you say that you're not sure this and that. Just go with your gut. It's not failing you so far. You've been doing awesome. Look how beautiful this is. Almost looks like a cuff. This is so pretty. And the blue one, look at that. So much texture and bling on it. Like, amazing. Look at this one with the pink. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my word. Oh, she sent me some appliques and these are butterflies. Oh, thank you so much for the extras, girl. You didn't have to do that, but I so greatly do appreciate it. That's super cute. And we have some more trim. How pretty that is. I love that color. It reminds me of when you mix chocolate ice cream with strawberry ice cream. Yes. Oh, we have this really pretty white one. Oh, these are definitely going to come in handy right about now, especially with the hop that we're about to start. This is so pretty. Super, super amazing. Thank you. And this yellow one. How pretty that is. So nice. Looks so delicate too. Thank you so, so much. I'm going to wrap these up and put these right back in this little baggie. And put these beautiful little embellishments right along there with it. Put this here. And let's open up the box and let's leave this for last. Not sure what that package is, but we shall soon find out. I'll have to re-wrap these up. And look how cute. She put it in a little box and it says Handmade with Love by Boricuascrafting 100. And it's got an entry and a little heart. And let's see. Oh my goodness. It's some package inside of a package. Okay. All right. So let's see. I love the box too. I love altering those things. So thank you so much for the box. We have this really cute washi tape on it. So let's just see. Let's just see. Okay. Put this one there. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Girl, you rocked it. Oh my God. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love all the different pieces that you added on here. This is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. You definitely have to go and check out her channel. She added some cute little hearts. We have some little fabric flowers topped over with some other little fabric flowers and a little fabric rose. We have this really cute butterfly with green. She knows I love green. Some little flat back resin pieces right there. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so pretty. We have some cute little flowers here as well. And she kind of bunched up some lace and then kind of layered this. This looks so, so pretty. I love what you did with this. And we have purple, which is also her favorite color. It's like lavender is her favorite color. So I have a little bit of me and a little bit of her in here. Super, super awesome. Cute little butterflies. And I love what she did with this little dangling trim right here. Super adorable. And here we have a heart applique with some beautiful little purple or lavender flowers. We have some little hearts. And then another beautiful layered fabric flowers. And it's got like a applique. And then I think she did this with the machine. I'm not sure, but super, super amazing. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And hopefully you can see it well there. Like, in love, in love. Thank you so, so much. I am just loving all the different ways that you guys are thinking about altering these pieces of trims and these laces. It's so, so awesome to see just the variety and how everybody kind of does it. Like, it's just amazing. I'm going to have so much fun playing with them and incorporating them into different pieces of either, you know, paper crafting or even my art and stuff like that. And look at her tag. Oh my goodness. Look at her tag, you guys. Oh, this is I love you. Congratulations. Ah, Isabel. This is so pretty. Thank you. So she's got a cute little paper doll here. And she's added her little lace trim to her dress. And she's got this beautiful little grouping of black and pink roses. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. I love the paper that you backed it on. This is all embossed. And it's like black, and then it's like, it looks like snow it's on it. Like, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And she's got more black trim here in the bottom. And she's got some cute little pink flowers here. Like, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then she's got the same, like she did the little let me just pull one out. Put this to the side. Just like these beautiful little embellishments that she made. It's got the cute little flower, and I don't know if she made that herself. I think she probably made that herself by gluing them together. But this super, super pretty with the cute little black rose, and then she's got this little black trim. It's like green or black. It's iridescent, so it's got a lot of different colors on it, with the silver trim on the top, and these beautiful, beautiful little flowers that she created by adding little black flat backs on them. I mean, it just takes it to a whole new level. She added bling everywhere. I mean, this is just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So thank you so, so much, my friend. Like, wow, you have wowed me. And this is her channel, Boricuascrafting 100. Hopefully you guys can see that. And she is the sweetest, I mean, most nicest person. If you don't know who she is, you definitely want to go to her channel and check it out. Um, she's just actually, I think she's finishing up her own challenge right now. And I mean, it's just been amazing. This girl is definitely one to know. So thank you so much. And now let's see what this is. And hopefully the emotion I'm trying to hold in, you don't make fly out. Oh my God. I'm just so overjoyed, honestly. I'm so overjoyed. Oh my goodness. She sent me some of the jewel pieces and some more of the beads. And I don't think I'm going to open this though, because I think stuff is flying out. But we have all different colored jewel pieces in here. All different shapes. And we also have baby blue and pink beads. And I mean, we have all different shapes of little jewel pieces and beads in here. So thank you so, so much for this. I so greatly appreciate this. A lot of these pinks are going to come in handy in the next couple of weeks. So yay. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you do get a chance to participate, that would be awesome. I would love to see what you come up with and how you alter, you know, a lace, a piece of lace or a trim. And yeah, you guys, thank you all so much. Isabel, besos y abrazos, mi amor. Tú sabes que te quiero mucho. And thank you so much for participating in my challenge, my friends. I so greatly appreciate it. And I will leave a link to my challenge as well as to her channel down below so that you guys can go and check her out and show her some YouTube love. Trust me, you won't regret it. This girl does amazing at pretty much everything. I mean, she just started doing mixed media the other day and she's already like she's already like, whoa, way down the road. Like, she's just awesome, 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 awesome at everything that she does. So thank you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.